Welcome to Testport India. So this is our first class of logical reasoning. In this session, we will be dealing with the arrangements and puzzles from basics, and we will solve almost every type of arrangement. Okay, right from linear arrangement till the special cases like the parallel arrangements, box, floor based, day based arrangements, and so on. Okay, let's get started with some basic concepts. So if we consider a linear arrangement, okay, if we consider a linear arrangement, we have some basic rules. Okay, I think most of you are aware of these rules. Most of you are aware, but I want to again discuss with you about these rules. Let me change this color first. Okay, so if we consider linear arrangement, we have two cases, mainly two, if not three. Okay, we have three cases. Yeah, the first case is the people who are facing north direction. Okay, north facing. The second is south facing. Okay, south facing, and the third one is mixed. Okay, both north and south facing. Okay, so what is linear arrangement? Any arrangement which is in linear form, linear in the sense which is in straight form. So it can be horizontal arrangement, it can also be a vertical arrangement. Anything is anything comes under linear arrangement. Okay, so north facing, if we consider north facing, see, this is north direction, this is south, this is east, and this is west, right? So all are facing north. Okay, all will face north. This is A, this is B, this is C, and D. Okay, so who is right, immediate right of C? It's D. D is the immediate right of C. And who is immediate left of C? B is to the immediate left of C, right? So in north facing, the right side is this one, right side, and the left side is in this direction. Whereas in south facing, okay, in south facing, we have A, we have B, we have C, and we have D. A, B, C, and D. Okay, so in south facing, who is right to C, immediate right to C? B is immediate right to C. Who is immediate left to C? D is to the immediate left to C. So in south facing, this is the left direction and this is the right direction. Okay, so in mixed case, we have both. One is facing north, one is facing south, again north, south. Okay, so this is A, this is B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, who is to the right side of E? Okay, who is to the right side of E? See, E is facing south, right? Imagine you are E, you are facing south. So who is right side of E? D is right side of E. Okay, who is immediate left of E? Immediate left of E, it's F. If you consider C, who is immediate left of C? It's B. B is immediate left of C. Who is immediate left of C? B. Who is immediate right of C? D. Understood? So these are the differences, and we will move on to the second case. Okay, second type, which is circular arrangements. Okay, we'll move on to circular arrangements. Circular arrangements, right? So in circular arrangements, we also have case 1 and case 2. right? For case 1 and case 2, case 1 deals with all the members who are facing the center. Okay, we also have case 3, but we shall first discuss case 1 and 2. So in case 2 we have all the people, so this is the center, right? This is the center. These are facing in case 2 away from the center. Okay, people are facing away from the center, they are not towards the center. Whereas in case 3 it is the combination of towards the center and away from the center, right? Towards the center and away from the center. Let us name them A, B, C, D. Okay, here is A, B, C and D. Here A, B, C and D. Okay, so in case 1, A is, all are towards the center, facing the center. Okay, their faces are towards the center. So who is left of C? Who is left side of C? Immediate left. D is immediate left to C, and B is immediate right to C. Okay, so if you consider in case 1 where all are towards the center, okay, the right side is in anti-clockwise direction, okay, whereas the left side is the clockwise direction, okay. Whereas in case 2 where all the people are away from the center, so here B is there. Who is left side of B? Immediate left to B. A is immediate left to B, and who is immediate right to B? C is immediate right to B. Okay, in case 2 left is in the anti-clockwise direction, okay, and right is in clockwise direction. Okay, this is alter. Okay, here in case 1 right side is the anti-clockwise direction, here left side is the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so in case 3 we have combination of people facing the center, okay, facing the center and facing away, they are away from the center. Some are not facing the center and some are facing the center. Okay, in this case A is away from the center, whereas B is towards the center. Okay, who is right side of B? Immediate right to B. A is immediate right to B. Okay, immediate right to B. C is immediate left to B. Whereas consider A. Who is immediate left of A? D is immediate left of A. Okay, who is immediate right of A? B is immediate right of A, right? B is immediate right of A. Hope you understood the difference. Just imagine. Okay, you have to just imagine to understand all these concepts. Okay, just imagine. We will move on to the next slide. So these are the basic types of the puzzles and arrangements. First type is objects in a single row. Okay, linear arrangements come under this category. Objects in 2 rows is the second type. Objects in closed shape, so circular arrangements come under this category. Besides circular arrangements, we also have triangular, square, rectangular, etc. Okay, all types of closed shapes. Okay, and we have special arrangements and puzzles: floor based, day based, box and floor based, matrix, parallel arrangements. Okay, so these are extremely important as far as IIFT is concerned, as far as MHCET is concerned. So last year in 2019, okay, last year IIFT, we have one lift based problem from this special arrangements. Okay, and okay, lift based is one set, that's okay, but there is a lot of scope. Okay, that there's high probability that lots and lots of sets in the non-cat exams appear from only these types. Okay, any one of these types or some of these types. Okay, not any one, at least 3 to 4 sets definitely appear. Okay, so these are very important models, and for cat you must prepare all of them. Of course we have group formation, team formation, and some other types of models, but these are one of the models as far as logical reasoning is concerned. Okay, but LRDI section of cat is very unpredictable, very unpredictable. No one can predict the structure or the type of the arrangement or type of the set which will appear in cat exam in LRDI. Okay, so it is better to solve as many puzzles, as many arrangements as possible to at least clear the cutoff. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. Yeah, just pause the video, try to solve the question. Okay, try to solve the set. This is the first type, which is objects in a single row. This is the first type. So pause the video and try to solve. Yeah, hope you solved. Hope you solved. It's a very easy one. So objects in a single row. Fine. 5 flags. Okay, 5 flags, each with a distinct symbol, namely panther, tiger, rose, swan, and quail, have been arranged in the following order. Okay, 5 flags. So we shall take this comes under linear arrangement. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we considered 5. Okay, what is given still? Panther is next to quail and swan is next to rose. Okay, panther is next to quail. Okay, quail means q, p means panther. Okay, and swan is next to rose. So swan is next to rose. So this is one pair, this is the second pair. Okay, this is the first pair and this is the second pair. Yeah, and come to the second statement. Swan is not next to tiger. Okay, after tiger swan shouldn't come. Okay, tiger is on the extreme left hand side. Tiger is on the extreme left hand side. So if we consider the direction, this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side, and tiger is on the extreme left hand side. So we can place tiger here. Okay, and rose is on the second position from the right hand side. So this is the right hand side, this is the first position of right hand side, and this is the second position of right hand side. So rose comes here. Okay, and see, as we discussed, R and S is one pair. So these form R and S form a pair. So here R is there, so here S comes. Here Q. Okay, yeah, here Q and P. So P comes immediately after Q. So we have only 2 vacancies left. So we can directly place like this. Okay, but we will consider remaining statements whether this one is correct or not. Yeah, panther and rose are together. Yes, panther and rose are together. That's fine. Panther is on the right hand side of quail. Panther is on the right hand side of quail. Okay, that is also correct. And to the right side of tiger, panther is to the right side of tiger. Yeah, panther is there, here tiger is there. Okay, right side of tiger, panther is to the right of tiger. That's fine. And this is important. Just two rules in the linear arrangement. Take linear arrangement or circular arrangement, anything, but we have 2 rules. Most of the aspirants get confused between these 2 rules. The first one is and second one is to. Okay, I will just brief you with an example, the difference between and to. Let us take the first one. M is to the right of right of q and second to the left of r. So m is to the right of q and second to the left of r. Here n refers to whom? Does n refer to q or does n refer to m? So here m is the first person, right? First person, and q is the second person. Okay, so n refers to whom? Whom does n refer to? N refers to first person. Okay, so the literal meaning of this is m is to the right of q and m is second to the left of r. So n refers to the first person. The similar kind of example we shall take, which is with who. Okay, who, we shall take this example now. M is to the left of D. Okay, M is, I will write it here, M is to the left of D. Who is sitting between G and H. Okay, who is sitting between G and H. Here who refers to whom? Does who refer to M or does who refer to D? So M is the first person, right? So D is the second person. So who refers to D in this case? Okay, in the previous slide what happened? And referred to the first person, but here who refers to second person. In any D, in any LR set, in any arrangement set, if you observe who, at any time who refers to the second person and refers to the first person and to the first person who refers to the second person. Please remember this these two fundas. Okay, if you get this wrong, the entire set will be wrong. Definitely the entire set will be wrong, or you will take more time to solve to correct the set. Okay, in exam that should be avoidable. Okay, those kind of minor errors. So we shall move on to the next slide. Objects in two rows. So this is one basic example of objects in two rows. Just pause the video and try to answer this. Okay, just pause the video. Yeah, hope you solve the video, solve the set. Hope you solve this. Let's continue. So there are two rows of books in a library facing each other, and each row has 5 books. Each row has one book each on physics, chemistry, economics, history and mathematics. So there are 1 2 3 4, there are 5 books here, each row, and all the books are identical in dimension and at equal distances from their neighbors. Okay, so equal distances. So we will take row 1 and we will take row 2. Okay, equal distances 1 2 3 4 5, because we have 5 books, right? So we are taking 5 slots. Okay, so the rows are called as row 1 and row 2. Okay, the following facts are known. The economics book in row 2 is at a corner. In row 2, the economics book is at a corner. So economics book can either come here or it can also come here. So instead of taking here, we will take one more case. What happened now? One more case we will take. This is let us name this case as 1. This is case 2. Okay, this is row 1 1 2 3 4 and 5. This one is row 2 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so economics is here in this row, we will consider economics to be in this corner now. Okay, and the in both the rows the economics book is next to the chemistry book. Further, in both the rows the chemistry book is next to the physics book. Okay, so in both the rows what happened, economics book is next to chemistry book. So chemistry book, okay, economics book is next to chemistry book, and further the chemistry book is next to the physics book. So here if we take physics, the chemistry book is next to physics book. So PCE is the order. In which row? In both the rows. Okay, so let us name in case 2 first. As E is there, so C P is the order, and as E is there, P C is the order, PCE. Before putting this, I mean this in row 1 and row 1 in case 1 and 2, we shall move on to the third statement. The physics book is the only book in either row to face its counterpart. Okay, what's the counterpart? Counterpart is a book on the same subject. Okay, so counterpart of physics in the sense P faces P, physics faces physics. Okay, so in the physics book is the only book, remember this, only book in the either row to in either rows, so in both the rows to face its counterpart. Okay, so physics, as physics is here and it must be here now, and here physics is there, here physics is there, and remember this order PCE, so P, C and E. So here what is the order? P, C and E. Why didn't we place C and E here? If we had placed C and E, then C will also be a counterpart of C. Okay, E will also be a counterpart of itself. So we didn't face C and E here, so we must face C and E here. Okay. Okay. So consider statement 4. The history book is as far as possible from its counterpart, and only one pair of books on the same subject is as far, not far, it's far, as far as the two history books are. Okay, so history book is as far as possible in both the rows. I mean, it must be as far as possible. So we will extend the history book, the distance between two history books. So if we place history here, okay, then to make it as far as possible to its counterpart, I mean to its pair, history and history, so one more history book must be here. In this case, in case 2, if history is here, then it must be here, one more book must be here, so it is in the maximum direction, maximum distance. Okay, history is here and here there is history, but we left with one slot. Okay, one slot, we will fill the subject which is left. The history is covered, economics is covered, chemistry is covered, physics is covered, mathematics is left. Okay, so here mathematics comes and here mathematics comes, we solve this. So any case is possible, first case is also possible, second case is possible. Okay, so both are valid. See, we are not solving the questions because framing the data is important. We will solve the questions as we move to the upcoming lectures, we will solve them. Okay, but as of now, as it is a basic introductory video, okay, as far as LR, logical reasoning, is concerned, we are solving only the puzzle, we are not solving the questions. Okay, so this is the arrangement. So let's move on to the next slide. So this is the next arrangement of objects in two rows. Okay, objects in two rows. The plan shows an office block of 6 officers, A, B, C, D, E and F. So where is the plan? Yeah, I will write it here. I will write it here. I will draw that. Okay. Yeah. 6 offices. So this is not officers, this is offices. Okay. 6 offices. Yeah. This is the entry. Okay. So the plan shows an office block for 6 offices A, B, C, D, E and F. A, B, C, D and F. Let me change this. Okay. Both B and C occupy. Okay. This is officers. Fine. Okay. So both B and C occupy offices to the right of the corridor as one enters the office block. So as one enters like this, right side will be here and left side will be here. Okay. As one enters, B and C occupy the offices to the right side. So B and C will be on this side. Okay. A occupies an office to the left of the corridor. So A occupies to the left of the corridor. A must be in on this side. E and F occupy offices on both on opposite sides, but their offices do not face each other. So E and F will be on opposite side. If E is here, F will be here. If F is here, E will be here. But E and F won't face each other. So E and F or E, F. So they won't face each other. Okay, they won't face each other. But they are in opposite sides. Okay. Still. So as D left, D will be here. Okay, D, A, either E or F, B, C, either F or E. Okay. So let me draw one more. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Okay. So F's office is further down the corridor than A's, but on the same side. E doesn't have corner office. So E doesn't have corner office. So E doesn't have corner office. F's office is further down the corridor than A's, but on the same side. So F's office is further down the corridor than A's, but on the same side. So A and F must be on the same side. So A, D and F are on the same side, and here B, C and E are on the same side. But one more condition is given. E doesn't have a corner office, so E doesn't come here. E also doesn't come here, so E must be here. Okay, E must be here. So if E is here, F shouldn't come here, right? F shouldn't come here. And the last statement also says that F's office is further down the corridor than A's. Okay, further down the corridor. Okay, the further down the corridor than A's. So if A is here, then F must be either here or here, further down the corridor. Okay, but we do not know the exact position as of now. Okay, and the offices of C and D face each other. C and D face each other. So let me clear this first. Okay. So here F's office is further down the corridor than A's. So E is here, so F shouldn't be here. So F must be either here or here. But what is given here? F's office is further down the corridor than A's. So down the corridor means this is the downside. Okay. So we are entering here in this direction, right? So A must be either here or here. Okay. But F should be here because it is further down the corridor, right? So F is here, this is confirmed, and E is here, this is confirmed. Okay. Still, what is given? So B and C, the offices of C and D face each other. Okay, so offices of C and D face each other. So here it's already E is there here. So here F is there. So if I place C here, then D must be here, but already F is there. So the only place where we can put C is here, so that B will be here. Okay, sorry, D will be here, C and D. Okay, let me clear this. Okay, so C is here, D is here, E is here, F is here. Still this is vacant. Okay, so B must be here, okay, so this is vacant, so A must be here. Okay, so the final arrangement is D, A, F and C, E, B. Okay, D, A, F and B, E, C. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Objects in a closed shape. So this is a CAT 2002 question. Okay, CAT 2002 question. It's a simple one, it's a very simple one. Just pause the video and try to solve. There are 6 persons who are sitting around a round table. Okay, we shall draw a round table here, a round table. Okay, Pankaj is sitting left of Dayanand. Okay, we shall mark 6 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, whenever you place the places of persons, take the opposite side. Okay, if you place here, again you must immediately take the opposite side, because if these are in symmetrical positions, I mean exactly opposite side, there won't be any confusion. Okay, so Pankaj is sitting left of Dayanand, who is facing Kundan. Okay, as of now we can take any statement which is direct. Okay, we can take any direct statement and put it. Okay, Pankaj is sitting left of Dayanand. Pankaj is left of Dayanand. Okay, so Pankaj and Dayanand. Okay, Pankaj is left to Dayanand. Who is facing Kundan? See here, importance of who. Who refers to whom? Does who refer to Dayanand or does who refer to Pankaj? Who refers to Dayanand? I told you, right? Who refers to the second person and refers to first person. Here Dayanand is the second person, Pankaj is the first person. So Dayanand is facing Kundan. Okay, okay. So Ranjan is sitting right of Dayanand. Right of Dayanand is Ranjan. Yash is sitting left of Pankaj. Left of Pankaj is Yash. Okay. Still Yash is sitting, and Abhishek is sitting right of Ranjan. Abhishek is sitting right of Ranjan. Here Ranjan, so Abhishek will sit here. Okay, if Pankaj and Ranjan swap their positions and Yash and Abhishek also swap their positions, then who will be to the left of Abhishek? So swapping means interchanging. Okay, interchange means swap. Okay, so Pankaj and Ranjan swap their positions. Okay, Pankaj here, yeah. Okay, here Ranjan comes. Okay, instead of Pankaj, and instead of Ranjan, Pankaj comes here. Okay, here Ranjan comes here, and Yash and Abhishek. So instead of Yash, Abhishek comes here, and instead of Abhishek, Yash comes here. Okay, then who will be to the left of Abhishek? So Abhishek is there. Okay, the new arrangement, Abhishek is there. Who is the left of Abhishek? So Kundan is left of Abhishek. So answer is 1. Answer is Kundan, right? So this is a very simple one. So it's a previous CAT question. I mean CAT 2002. So let's move on to the next slide. So this is our second arrangement as far as closed shapes are concerned. So try to solve this. Pause the video and try to solve this. Okay. So four Indians N, B, J, and R, and four Americans. Okay, 4 Americans A, T, M, and S are sitting around a circular table. 2 Indians and 2 Americans are facing the center, while the rest 4 persons have their backs towards the center. That means facing away from the center. Okay, so you need to figure out the exact where they are they are sitting by considering the following statements. J is sitting at the second position to the left of M. Okay, we will get back to this. We will draw the arrangement now. So this is a circle, right? This is the circle. Let me change the color here. Okay, so we have 4 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 are Indians and 4 are Americans. Total 8, right? So consider statement 3. N is the third person to the right of R who is facing the center. So N is to the third person. N is the third person to the right of R. So if we so R who is facing the center. So here who refers to R, the second person. So R is facing the center. So if we place R here, okay, if we place R, this is the center, right? He is facing the center. He is towards the center, right? So if R is here, N is the third person. So first, second, and third. So N must be here. Okay. So third statement is ruled out completely. Okay. And we shall move on to the sixth statement, which is M is not sitting next to R. Okay, M is not sitting next to R. So next to R, that means M shouldn't be here, M also shouldn't be here, right? So this is ruled out completely. And we shall move on to the fourth statement now. B and S are sitting at diametrically opposite positions and facing each other. None of them is sitting next to R or A. Okay, so B and S are sitting diametrically opposite positions and facing each other. None of them is sitting next to R or A. So next to R, so B shouldn't come here, right? So next to R, B, neither B nor S must be sitting, right? So B shouldn't come here, B shouldn't come here, and the only way that B and S must be diametrically opposite is these two positions. Okay, in these two positions they will be diametrically opposite. If we place B here or S here, then they will be sitting immediately next to R, so which is not possible. It shouldn't be the case, right? So B will be here and S will be here, right? So B and S are sitting at diametrically opposite positions and facing each other. They are facing each other. That means facing the center. They are facing each other, right? If B comes here, S will definitely come here. If B comes here, S will come here, right? Yes comes here. Okay, so A must be facing R. A is see, none of them is sitting next to R or A, right? So if none of them is sitting next to R or A, then A shouldn't come here because already N is there. Okay, here A shouldn't come here. So the only place which is left is A. For only place which is left for A is this one, which is opposite to A, opposite to R. Why? Because here what is the condition? B and S. So none of B and S, none of them is sitting next to R or A. So next to B, R shouldn't come and S shouldn't come. Next to S, R shouldn't come and A shouldn't come. So this is the only place for A in which this condition satisfies. So option the statement 4 is completely ruled out. Now M must be next to A. Okay, as M is not sitting next to R, okay, so M shouldn't come here, M shouldn't come here either. So here either B or S will be there. Here N is there, here A is there, so M must be here. This is the only place for M. So A is fixed, R is fixed, right? So B and S, N is fixed, N is also fixed. So B and S, so we will look into this now. So B and S, where is the relevant statement now? Yeah, consider the fifth statement. No three Americans are sitting together. Okay. So M, as we in the description what is given, N Indians. Who are Indians? Indians are N, B, J and R, right? And who are Americans? Americans are A, T, M and S. Okay. So here R is, who is R? R is an Indian. Okay, R is an Indian. Here A is an American. Okay, A is an American. And N is an Indian, right? N is an Indian. Okay. So M is an American. M is also an American. So here what is the statement? No three Americans. See, consider statement 5. No three Americans are sitting together. So here A is an American, M is also one more American. So out of B and S, here in this place, one American shouldn't be there because three Americans in a row, okay, in a line. Three Americans shouldn't sit together. So which one is American here, B or S? S is an American. Okay, so yes shouldn't come here. Okay, yes shouldn't come here. So B will take this position and S will take this position, right? So S is an Indian, B is, so S is American and B is Indian. Okay, see why we interchange the position, why we why B came here is, consider statement 5. No three Americans are sitting together. If S were here, who is an American, then A, M and S, all the three are Americans. Okay, so no three Americans are sitting together. So B must be, here only Indian must come in order to, in order not to violate this statement, right? So this is the arrangement, and J is sitting at the second position to the left of M. So consider statement 1. J is sitting at the second position to the left of M. Who is left of M? J is sitting to the second position to the left of M. So where is J? So this is the only place where we can put J here. Okay, J. Why? Because J is sitting second position to the left of M. So here if we consider M, J will be left to M unless, J won't be left to M unless it is away from the center. See, if M is away from the center, then left side, first left of M is B and second left of M is J. So M must be away from the center, right? And still A is sitting at the third position to left of T. See, consider this. A is sitting at third position to the left of T. Where is A here? A is sitting third from left of T. So here T, M already appeared there. So T will be here. So A is sitting third to left of T. So T must be away from the center, because if T is away from the center, then A will be third left. This is first left, second left and third left. Okay, which is A. Right? So R is an Indian, P is an Indian, N is an Indian. So one more Indian must be figured out. M, A, S are Americans. So one more American must be figured out, right? So T, we have to find T and J, J's nationality, right? So J must be an Indian, and T must be an American. See, why we have taken T as American and J as Indian is that it is given that 2 Indians and 2 Americans. See, 2 Indians and 2 Americans are facing the center of the table. Okay, here already we have 2 Indians who are B and R facing the center of the table, and 2 Americans who are facing the center. Who are facing the center? S is facing the center and A is also facing the center, right? A is also facing the center. So 2 Americans and 2 Indians already faced the center. So J and T must be away from the center, because the remaining 4, while the rest 4 members have their backs towards the center, that means remaining all must be away from the center, right? I know it's a little bit clumsy here, but just try it once. Let's move on to the next slide. Yeah, floor based arrangement, very important for IIFT and MHCET, right? Very important, and other exams also, but most important for these two. Floor based. Just pause the video and try to solve. So Akhil, Abhi, John, Vijay, Sachin, Dhoni, Sushant, Kapil live on different floors of a 8-story building in no particular order. The floors are numbered 1 to 8. Okay, so we shall take 8 floors here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Yeah. So we shall consider statement 4. So exactly 5 persons live above Sushant. Okay. Exactly how many persons live? 5 persons live above Sushant. Yeah. So 5 persons live above Sushant. So this is first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So Sushant comes here. Sushant comes here, because if Sushant comes here, then there will be exactly 5 persons above Sushant. This is the first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay. So this is figured out. This is ruled out completely. We shall move on to statement 1. Exactly 1 person lives between Sushant and Akhil. Sushant and Akhil. So Akhil can be here. Akhil can be here. Akhil can also be here, because there is 1 person exactly in between Sushant and Akhil. Okay. But consider statement 5 again. Akhil doesn't live on the first floor, so Akhil won't come here. Akhil comes here. Okay, so Akhil comes here. Akhil comes here. Okay, fine. So this is ruled out. Fifth statement is ruled out. So consider statement 6 here. Kapil doesn't live on the 7th floor. So Kapil doesn't come here. Okay, Kapil doesn't come here. And consider eighth statement. Kapil doesn't live on an even numbered floor. Okay, even number floor. So 8 is even, so Kapil doesn't live here. 6 is even, Kapil doesn't live here. 4, so Kapil doesn't live here. 2, so Kapil doesn't live here, because all are even, right? So the only place, the only floor where Kapil lives is the first floor. Kapil comes here, because all are even, and here in statement 6 it is given that Kapil doesn't live on 7th floor, and remaining all are even and also occupied by Akhil, Sushant. So 1 is the only floor which is vacant for Kapil. Okay, right. So we shall move on to statement 3. Akhil lives at a lower floor as compared to Dhoni. Okay, so Akhil lives lower floor as compared to Dhoni. So Dhoni must be above Akhil. So Dhoni must be in either 8 or 7 or 6th floor. But if we consider statement 9, John lives at a higher floor as compared to Dhoni. So John comes here and Dhoni here. So John lives higher floor as compared to Dhoni. And if we compare statement 7, if we take statement 7, John lives, okay, this is lives, sorry, L-I-V-E-S. So John lives immediately above Vijay. So John lives immediately above Vijay. So Vijay must come here. Okay, Vijay must come here. John is here. So Dhoni is here. Okay. So Dhoni will be here. Vijay is here. And John will be here. Okay. Because John lives immediately above Vijay. Right. And here Dhoni, here Akhil lives at a lower floor as compared to Dhoni. So Akhil lives at lower floor as compared to Dhoni. So this statement is also clear, right? So still 4th floor and 2nd floor are vacant. So consider statement 2 again. Abhi and Dhoni do not have a gap of more than 2 floors between them. Okay, so Abhi and Dhoni do not have a gap of more than 2 floors between them. So Abhi must be in the fourth floor. Okay, Abhi must be in the fourth floor because Abhi and Dhoni do not have gap of more than 2 floors. So if I place Abhi here, then there will be more than 2 floors gap, 3 floors gap. Okay, there will be 3 floors gap, which shouldn't happen, which violates this statement. So Abhi must be here, and which one is remaining? What is remaining still? Sachin is remaining. So Sachin we will place here, right? So this is the arrangement. Day based arrangement. Yes, day based arrangement. Super important for MHCET. Okay, for IIFT, for SNAP, for other non-CAT exams. Okay. 6 plays are to be held from Monday to Sunday. 6 plays are to be held from Monday to Sunday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, we have 7 days, but 6 plays are to be held from Monday to Sunday. One play each day, with one day when there is no play. Okay, no play. Okay, no play days are not Monday and Sunday. No play day is not Monday and Sunday. So here no play doesn't come. Okay, this is a play day, and Sunday also it's a play day, so no play doesn't come. Yeah, the plays are held in the set of 3 plays each, in such a way that 3 plays are held without any break. So 3 plays are held in a set without any break. So here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is one pair, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is one more pair. Because if I take Thursday, Friday, Saturday as one more pair, then I must make a day as a no play day. So if Sunday will be vacant, no. So if Sunday is vacant, and if I shouldn't make no play day on Sunday, because clear that no play day is not on Monday and Sunday. So Thursday will be the no play day. This is the remaining day. Okay, Thursday will be the no play day, right? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is one set, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is one more set. If we consider statement 2, which is play Z is held on 26th and play X is held on 31st of the same month. Play B was not held immediately after play A. Okay. So statement also says that, the last statement also says that all the 6 plays were held in the same month. Okay, so as there are 6 play days, when one no play day, we will make the schedule from 25th to 31st of the month. So Monday will be 25th, Tuesday will be 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, Saturday will be 30th, and Sunday will be 31st, right? Sunday will be 31st. Okay. Statement 2 says play Z is held on 26th, right? Play Z is held on 26th. Play Z is held on 26th. And play X is held on 31st. Play X is held on 31st. Okay. So Z is on 26th, X is on 31st. And statement 3 says that play M was held immediately before Q. So play M was held immediately before Q. That means M must be on 29th and Q on 30th, right? So M was held immediately before Q. Before Q, M was held, so M must be on 29th. M must be on 29th and Q must be on 30th. Why? Because M was held immediately before Q. Okay, before Q, M was held. And consider statement 2 here. Play B was not held immediately after play A. Play B was not immediately after play A. So if I place, which means that play A comes first and play B comes later, right? So play A will be on 25th and play B will be on 27th. Why? Because play B was not held immediately after play A, not immediately after, okay, immediately after. So here in between A and B, Z is there, so that's not a problem. So A comes first, B comes next, not immediately, right? So this is the arrangement. And Thursday is the no play day, right? Thursday is the no play day. So the next type is box and floor based arrangement. So just pause the video and try to solve this. Yeah. So there are 7 persons E, F, H, J, K, N and P living on a 7-floor building but not necessarily in the same order. Yeah. Ground floor is numbered as first floor and above it numbered as a second floor and so on till topmost floor, which is numbered as 7th floor. Each of them likes different cold drinks, Limca, Coke, Sprite, Fanta, Mazza, Pepsi and Slice, but not necessarily in the same order, right? So we shall take 3 floors. Okay, seven persons in 7 floors. This is floor, person and cold drink. Okay. 7th floor, 6th floor, 5th, 4th, 3rd floor, 2nd floor and 1st floor, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yeah. So what is given here? The ones who like, right, who like Fanta and Slice live on 1st floor and 7th floor respectively. So on 1st floor, the ones who like Fanta, okay, so the guy who likes Fanta lives on the 1st floor. So the guy who likes Fanta, this guy lives on the 1st floor. So Fanta comes here. And Slice, the guy who likes Slice lives on the 7th floor. So here Slice comes. And N lives on 3rd floor. So where is 3rd floor? Yeah. So N lives here. And the ones who like Coke and Pepsi live on adjacent floors. So adjacent can be either Pepsi and Coke or Coke and Pepsi as well, right? Adjacent means one after the other, either this case or this one, either Pepsi and Coke or Coke and Pepsi. Okay. K likes Mazda. So just we will take this as a reference in future. K likes Mazda, right? So only one person. Okay, J doesn't like Slice. Okay, J doesn't come here, right? J doesn't come here as he doesn't like Slice. So this is ruled out. J doesn't like slice. Yeah. So only one person lives between E and F who likes Coke. So only one person between E and F. Only one person lives between E and F who likes Coke. So here Pepsi, Coke, and Pepsi. See what is given here. Only one person lives between E and F who likes Coke, right? So F likes Coke here. So we consider this the same arrangement. Okay, it can be either Pepsi or Coke and Pepsi and Coke, or Coke and Pepsi, right? So but here what is given? Only one person lives between E and F who likes Coke. So here who refers to F, who doesn't refer to E, right? So who here refers to F. So we should mention F here, right? As F likes Coke. The one who likes Pepsi lives just above H who likes Sprite, right? So it can be F Coke, Pepsi, and Sprite. Sprite comes here. I will write it here again. So Coke is liked by F, Pepsi. Why? Because the one who likes Pepsi just lives just above H, who likes Sprite. So H likes Sprite, right? So Sprite is liked by H, in which the one who likes Pepsi lives just above H. Okay, so this guy who likes Pepsi lives just above H. That means just above Sprite. Okay, just above Sprite. And still, only one person lives between E and F, right? So only one person lives between E and F. So if F is here, then there will be one person here and E will be here, because E cannot come here, right? So there is one person between F and E. So E, there will be one person and F. So this is the order. And more than one person lives between the ones who like Limca and Fanta. So if we put H in fourth floor, right? If we put H in fourth floor, so what happens? The floors won't be sufficient, right? See, if we put H here, then it will be 1 2 3. Only three floors are there, but we must have, if H is here, we must have, this is 1 2 3 and 4, because above H there is one vacant, this vacant place is there, because we don't know this guy, but this guy likes Pepsi. Above Pepsi, the guy F who likes Coke. Above F, there will be one vacant, one person. We don't know him, but there will be one person, and above that person, we have E. So how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. But if we place H here, we have only 1, 2, 3 places. So H must come in second floor, right? H must live in second floor. So here Sprite comes because H likes Sprite, right? So this guy will be N, and N likes Pepsi. N likes Pepsi. And above this guy, that means above N, will be F. The same arrangement. So F likes Coke. And above F, there is one vacant place. I mean, vacant in the sense, as of now, we do not know who is this guy. So let us leave this as of now, and above this guy, E lives, because between E and F there is one vacant, one guy will be there between E and F. So E comes here just above this one. So and J doesn't come here. So if J doesn't come here, J either comes here or either comes here, right? But in this case we have considered K. K likes Mazza. So K cannot come here, because if K comes here then K must like Fanta, but K likes Mazza. So the only place where we can insert K and Mazza is in fifth floor, right? So K comes in the fifth floor. K likes Mazza. Okay, so what is the remaining one? So J doesn't like slice and J won't be in 7th floor. So if J is not in 7th floor, so J will be in the first floor, right? And what is the remaining one? E is filled, F is filled, H is filled, J is completed, K, N, where is N? Yeah, N is in third floor, and P. So P is remaining one, so P comes here. So P likes slice, right? So the one cold drink which is left, Limca, right? So Limca will be placed here in 6th floor. So J doesn't come here, P comes here. Let's move on to the next slide. So this is a matrix based arrangement. This is a CAT 2002 question. Okay, so the Banerjees, the Sharmas and the Rajputs each have a tradition of eating Sunday lunch as a family. Each family serves a special meal at a certain time of day. Each family has a particular set of chinaware used only for this meal, and use the following clues, right? So we shall make the box, right? So this is the name of the family, this is the time, okay, and the chinaware and dish, okay, dish. Right, so let me change the color. Okay, so the Sharma family eats at noon. Okay, the Sharma's family eats at noon. Noon in the sense 12 p.m. Okay, 12 p.m. Next, the family that eats. See, consider statement 7. The family that eats last, likes makkal ki roti. Okay. So there are two families. One is Sharma's family, Banerjee's family, and the Rajput's family. So the family which eats last, that means which eats at 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 o'clock. Okay. Likes which dish? Makkal ki roti. Okay. So why we have taken 2 o'clock as the last slot is because if you consider fifth and third statements, the family that eats at 1 o'clock serves fried brinjal, and the Banerjee family eats at 2 o'clock, right? So Banerjee's family eats at 2 o'clock and Sharma's family eats at 12 o'clock. So the remaining time is 1 o'clock, 1 p.m., right? So the family that eats at 1 o'clock serves fried brinjal. So this is the fifth statement. The family, the one more family, what is the family which is left? Rajput's family. So Rajput's family comes here. Rajput's family, so the family that eats at 1 o'clock, okay, serves fried brinjal. So this is fried brinjal, okay, and the only dish which is left is, what is the only dish which is left? Sambar. Yeah, sambar is the only dish left. Okay, so fourth, consider fourth statement. The family that serves sambar doesn't use red chinaware. So Sharma's family doesn't use red chinaware. Okay. So the family that serves fried brinjal uses blue chinaware. Fried brinjal is served by Rajput's family. So Rajput's family uses blue chinaware. Blue chinaware, right? So Sharma's family doesn't use red chinaware, so Banerjee's family must use the red chinaware. Okay, red chinaware. And what is the one more chinaware which is left? White chinaware. See, the Rajput's family doesn't use white chinaware. So Rajput's family doesn't use white chinaware. So Sharma's family must use the white chinaware. White chinaware. So this is a simple, this is an easy set. Okay. So pause the video and try to solve the set. Okay, let's solve it. 8 friends J, K, P, Z, C, B, D and G have decided to do the lunch in a restaurant. They have seated on 2 parallel rows, each having 5 seats. Okay, so we will draw 2 parallel rows, each having 5 seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Each row has one vacant seat, but 2 vacant seats are not opposite to each other. Okay, so each row has one vacant seat, but 2 vacant seats are not opposite to each other, right? Not opposite. Not opposite. P, C, Z and D sit in row 1. So this is row 1 and this is row 2. So P, C, Z and D sit in row 1, whereas Z, K, G and B sit in row 2 and face north direction. The row 2 members face north direction and row 1 members face south direction. Okay, so it is given face south direction. Okay, they like different colors: blue, green, gray, black, red, yellow, white and pink, but do not necessarily in the same order. Okay, so consider this: the one who likes gray sits second right of G, but both do not sit at extreme end. Okay, so neither G nor the one who likes gray shouldn't be in the extreme end. So they shouldn't be either here or here. So G must be here, and the gray color, the guy who likes gray is second right of G. So as all the members are facing north, second direction, second means this is the first right of G and this is the second right of G. So gray, the man who likes gray color will be here. Okay, still what is given? Yeah, the one who faces the one who likes gray. Okay, the one who faces the one who likes gray sits immediate left of the vacant seat of row 1. So who faces gray in row 1? This guy faces gray color in row 1 and this guy sits immediate left of vacant seat of row 1. So this guy sits immediate left of row 1. Which one is immediate left of row 1? I mean, if I place vacant seat here, okay, vacant seat here. So the immediate left of vacant seat is this one, because all the row 1 persons, all the row 1 people are towards, they are facing towards south direction, they are facing south. So vacant, the left side, the immediate left of vacant seat is this one, right? So, and what is given here again? It's also given that the one who faces the vacant seat of row 2 is C, who likes yellow, okay, and P sits third right of C. Oh, if I place C here, if I place C here, then what happens is P sits third right of C, right? P sits third right of C. So C is here and P should sit third right. This is the first right of C, second right and third right of C. So P should come here, right? Why? Because all are towards the south direction. So right side, in the sense you must move like this. This is the right side of row 1. So as C is here, P is third right to C. This is the first right, this is the second right, and this is the third right. Okay. And it is given that C likes yellow, right? See, C who likes yellow. So here who refers to C. So C likes yellow, okay. And still what is there? There is only one person sits between vacant seat of row 2 and J, okay. So vacant seat of row 2. So this is vacant seat of row 2. Why? Because here the one who faces the vacant seat of row 2 is C. See, it's given here. The one who faces the vacant seat of row 2 is C. So as C is here, the vacant seat will be here, okay. And in the next one it is given that there is only one person who sits between vacant seat of row 2 and J. So what is vacant? And it's also given that there is only one person who sits between vacant seat of row 2 and J. So this is vacant seat of row 2, okay. And if J is here, okay, then there will be one person here, because if I place J here, then there will be more than one person who is sitting between these two. So J must be here, okay, so that there will be only one in between the vacant seat of row 2 and J, okay. And the one who likes blue is immediate neighbor of the one who faces P, right? Okay, let me erase this first. Yeah, the one who likes blue is immediate neighbor of the one who faces P. So which one faces P here? G faces P. So the one who likes blue is immediate neighbor of the one who faces P. So blue the one who likes blue must be here. This is blue. Okay. The one who likes green faces the one who likes blue. Okay. So the one who likes green must face the one who likes blue. Here this guy likes blue, so green must be here because they are facing each other, right? Okay. So J won't like blue because J faces a vacant seat. Okay. And K doesn't like blue. K doesn't like blue. Z doesn't like green. So K doesn't come here. K doesn't come here. If K doesn't come here, K must come here. Right? Here, which one is the remaining one? B. So B must come here. Right? So B, G, J, K is the order. And Z will be to the immediate right of C. Right? So Z will be to the immediate right of C. So as this is C, the immediate right is this one. So here Z will be there. So Z will be here. Okay. And what is remaining? C is filled. Okay, C, this one is C. So C is filled, Z is filled, P is filled, and this one must be D. This one is D. And the one who likes white faces vacant seat of row 1. So where is vacant seat of row 1? This is vacant seat, right? So the one who likes a white faces vacant seat of row 1. So J must like white color. Okay, J must like white color. And the one who likes pink sits second to the one who likes red. So the one who likes pink sits second to the right of one who likes red. So consider row 1. So if we consider row 1, P is second to right of Z. See, P is second to right of Z, right? So P likes pink, Z likes red. So P likes pink and Z likes red. Okay. And what's the remaining? What is left? G. So Z must like black. Right? So once again solve this. Okay. Even though you solve this at one go, you must it is advised to resolve it again. Okay. So in the upcoming slides, upcoming videos, we will be looking into some more problems, some more logical reasoning sets. After that, after arrangement and puzzle problems, okay, we will be solving group based group and team formation, and according to the schedule we will be solving that, right? So thank you very much and all the very best. Thank you.